Hi everyone, my name is Nyazika. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. So in this video, I wanted to give you a tip that can possibly help you on your natural hair journey. So everyone thinks that if you're natural, you always have to have your hair styled. But to be honest, that's a lot of work. And if you're like me, I just like to do things that are simple, effective, that will last long, and that still look pretty good. So here is a secret that probably people are not telling you about, okay? So if you want a seamless natural hair journey and you don't want to feel overwhelmed by all of these things that you need to be doing every week or every month, this is something that you should pay attention to, okay? So the tip is that you should find at least 2 hairstyles that you can do and do well. That is it. So that is the most simplest thing that you can do and the best thing that you can do for your hair. So when you want to then go to a special event, or you have an interview, or you have a birthday party, or you have a wedding or whatever, that's when you can do your hair up. That's when you can do all of these styles that I may post, that other YouTubers post. But don't feel the pressure of having to do those hairstyles every day or every week, or thinking that you need to change your hair all the time to look different. Because really, if you think about it, people with weaves have pretty much the same weave the whole time. So their hair is either curled, it's either tied in a bun, or tied at the back, or it's left flowing. Okay, so they won't really change much because you can't really do much else. Your hair will still look neat, your hair will still look done up, and it'll look like you've put some effort and some thought into your hairstyle and your appearance in general. So that's the same thing that you should apply to your natural hair care journey. You don't need to keep doing different styles. Just look for 2 hairstyles that you can do and that you can do very well. For me, I love flat twists. So I normally have a flat twist halo. So what I'll do is that I'll pot my hair. So my hair will probably be like this, and it's now starting to shrink, right? So after I do a braid out, a twist out, or whatever for an event, I might last for maybe 2 to 3 days. And then when it's time to moisturize my hair again, I will then put it in flat twist. Or after the event and I know I'm not doing anything, I will flat twist my hair straight after, because I don't like knots, I don't like tangles. So I just try and do a hairstyle that minimizes that, and that is presentable and that I can maintain for longer. Second hairstyle for me is a bun. So if I'm having a bad hair day, for example, or I need to moisturize my hair, or my flat twist doesn't look nice anymore, what I will do is that I will bunch my hair up and put it in a bun, and then I will put a twist to the bun. So as you saw in the previous video, I did a bun, and then I did, instead of just leaving it out, I styled that bun. So that is something that I will do. So it's either a flat twist halo or a bun. But the fancy stuff come when I'm going to a fancy event. So that is how I manage to maintain my hair. And when people say, isn't it hard to maintain your hair? No, it's not, because I have figured out 2 hairstyles that I know how to do very well. So that is it. That is, the biggest tip, the biggest lesson I can give anyone who is wanting to go natural, or you're on your natural journey but you just don't know what to do. So that is the most important thing that you can take away from this video. So I hope it helps. Yeah, let me know how it goes, and if that's helpful, tell me in the comment section down below which one is your favorite hairstyle. Probably in the next video I will show you guys how I flat twist my hair. Very simple, very easy. So I hope that was helpful. Make sure that you leave a comment and let me know which hairstyle you like or is your go-to hairstyle. Yeah, and let's have a discussion. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.